In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make the YouTube algorithm push out your video to more people. And no, this is not just some generic advice you have been hearing, advice like just make better content, post consistently. I am talking about a strategy that actually works, the one that I've tested myself. So if you're tired of posting videos that barely gets views, stick around because I'm about to change the game for you. So if this is the kind of video you want to see, please go ahead to hit that like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload videos like this, you will get notified. By the end of this video, you will understand what actually triggers the algorithm, how small channels can take advantage of it, and the one setting in your YouTube dashboard that can give your views a massive boost. So let's dive into the main video. The first thing is to understand the YouTube algorithm. Yes, YouTube doesn't choose to promote big channels over small ones. The algorithm simply follows the audience. Now, if people engage with your content, YouTube will now push it to more viewers, no matter how small your channel is. Now, this is how it works. If you post a video, YouTube will show it to a small test audience. If they engage, that means if they watch long, click and comment and also like, YouTube will expand the reach. If they don't engage, YouTube will stop promoting it. So the one job you have is to make sure that the YouTube's test audience loves your video from the first seconds. The step 2 is the strategy to get more pushed. Yes, YouTube tracks how many people stop watching within the first 30 seconds of your video. If too many audience drop off, your video is dead. So how are you going to hook them? Start with an engaging statement like I did in this video. Show a fast-paced visuals or text on the screen to keep them engaged and watching more longer on your video. Immediately promise value. For example, at the end of this video, you know how to get 10 times more views. So this is a pro tips that I want to give you. If your first video sentence is weak, like if your first video sentence is weak and boring, people are going to leave. Instead of, hey guys, welcome back to my channel, rather say, here is why your videos aren't getting views and how to fix it. Step 2 is the click-through rate. Click-through rate matters. If no one clicks on your video, the algorithm won't push it. So your title and thumbnail need to be irresistible. Now, I'm going to give you examples of some powerful titles, the ones that are good and the ones that are not good. Now, for the bad ones, you have how to get more views on YouTube, and the good ones are do this and YouTube will promote your videos. Then secret hack. The third one is season watch time boost. Yes, YouTube loves when your videos keep people on the platform for as long as possible. So here is how you are going to take the advantage. At the end of your video, link to another related video and say, now if you want to learn this, then click this video next. You see, when people will see that you are recommending another great video to them, they are going to binge watch on that content and it will make them to click on that video. That is where the good news will come on your channel. You start getting views on those words, old dead words videos. For example, if your video is about getting more views, the next video you are going to recommend could be the best video ideas to get viral on YouTube. You see, in that way, people will love watching your video, and before you know it, massive views will start rolling on your channel. The third thing is the secret setting in YouTube dashboard. Now, this is the part you have been waiting for. The secret setting that can give your videos a secret boost. Now, inside your YouTube dashboard, go to the analytics under the audience and look at when your viewers are online. Now, look at this particular graph. You can see different colors, the ones that are dim, the ones that are showing very bright, the ones that are very colorful. Now, go to your analytics and study this graph you are seeing on this screen now. This graph will show you potentially when your viewers are online, the time you are going to post, Now, if you want me to make a video about when your viewers are online, and let me know in the comment section, and we'll take that into consideration. So this is how we are going to do it. Post your video at 30 to 60 minutes before your peak audience time. That is why I say you should go and study this word, this when your viewers are online what? Graph. This way, when your subscriber gets notified, they watch it immediately. That means it will help in boosting your engagement fast. Now this is a real proof I want to show you. I tried posting at random times versus using this trick, and my views double within the first hour. Like this video you are seeing right now has got me over 337 views because I posted it 30 to 60 minutes before what? My audience peak time. And when you post a video before your audience peak time, you will get what we call concurrent what? Viewers at your peak time. Like you get what we call concurrent viewers at your peak time. There you can find it inside your watch, your YouTube Studio what? Analytics. So this video has gotten me 337 views. Is it not that massive? So this is the strategy that you are going to use. Now you have known exactly how to make the YouTube push your video. But if you really want to dominate, you need to combine this strategy with the right video topic. That is why I make this video right here, where I tell you how you are going to get more views on YouTube the smartest way. Okay, that is if you are a small YouTuber. So you have to click on it now, and I will see you over there. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.